Gnosis-Canada. Welcome to Gnosis-Canada. Today, we will study ego. The ego leads us to suffering. It is the root of pain, illness, and imbalance. How can we eliminate the ego? To begin with, the ego is created through identification, fascination, and dreaming. For example, when our senses become hypnotized by a specific object, such as the opposite sex, a car, clothes, or something else, it means that an inner desire invades our senses and assigns a value to that object that it does not truly have. Additionally, the ego within us is known in Christianity as the 7 deadly sins: pride, envy, lust, gluttony, greed, laziness, and hatred. These are different expressions of the ego acting within our psychology. Second, through the practice of the observer and the observed, it is possible to identify the ego within us. In our interactions with other people, the ego naturally expresses itself. For example, we can observe the manifestation of impatience when we are waiting in a queue. Additionally, through meditation, we can deeply understand the nature of the ego. In meditation, our essence can separate from the ego, and in the conscious realm we can clearly comprehend that the ego is related to time. It has a beginning and consequently an end. Therefore, it does not possess true reality. To conclude, the ego is formed through identification, fascination, and dreaming. Its elimination is achieved through the practice of the observer and the observed, self-observation, the SOL key, and meditation. The result of eliminating the ego is the end of suffering and the beginning of true freedom. Until the next lesson, thank you for watching.